kwa wa yemu ha
Nya penny adakabre lawyer mejo super
waye na wanya ntiye bi se enipa 66 bi yesi wani akọ register ewo Bana constituency na yeyishi wo mu duly with a card no afa immigration fu akọ accost wo mu at the border post ama ya transport wo mu aba sunyaye na reporter maintains say NDC agents say wani challenge nipa 66 no nanka as per the rules e was nka electoral commission retaining such cars until after adjudication see the bema wo mu ana ye be forfeit na we dey notwithstanding the challenge we are told no wo mu da ho ekutekuta cars no until say immigration for akwaje say mean NDC region buno mu fa ne sen
Rakabra medo ase no machia we chief na me nsan wishes Silas abranti a onam di ntwe mu ma ohwere ne nkwanyame ya adoma enne na ombeyi no na mape ne krabe ochina ofi ni baabi ifi akwantum be shi asa akwanhyewu no me mabusuani nyina hyede ne yakọ arakabre obi be ka se enye nwanwa kakra na no pe mi ho adwiri me say the particular polling station and registration center and for be trading no adakabre ebe yo nwanwa say yo ho na no pay na registration officer no aro na wo hwe sa polling station no so o matonsa e de afre abrantie ye fe ne secretary ona na ye registration agent ema NDC say forms na wo de man ndo amani challenging crofo no na ye wrong forms adakabre enyo nwanwa
yegututie
enti abrantie no ba bra meni honorable Amedi Brahim na atio say isifo afre no kan se mbi kire no na obehia empanimfo clarification ansa na ordinance akwhye krata bi ase honom na omo beka chen say yenyi election directorate for bi na omo ne nko office ono omo koduru ho a omo de achawpa to yenim say forms na omo fill omo ma na fill no wrong forms na say omo fill forms anka say challenge forms enunti no omo pacho yemfanche na a slip on the part of the registration officer yerigana fu nyina sika kwa kutua nka na ya training no a wogina onom electoral commission say all has a due process be adwuma no ne modern ma oboye no barada kabri ya decide this enya dia ebefa ekwamboni bia so aye bibi was a registration officer ya we in question edru baabi na security ni ho ya branch ne challenge will be 3 days ago abra woguso a wogi challenge for my challenge ni pano na papa ya pass on a document ama ma yeden a laminate ni pan card na e de ko abra wa ma na kwan ama na nkapcha ni pakro ni data enti ya fili irregularity form eti asa registration officer enti surprisingly encrophobi ama yenyanti ya say encrophobi free Ivory Coast monye Ghana for use unapproved offense and route e de ewura yen electoral area ba kwa ye frɛ no Dumole Koyen Dobo electoral area ye ma migration for aso eti arakabre ye mo ma so ti ye no I say mrana na enye adwuma se sen ye ma soja for obi aso because ya kase physically ye mbese beba ye record mu se NDC ye de ensa bo obi because oba between ni din say we Ghana ni se wonye Ghana ni ni ehu se mretia no a ye betumi aye nyina ne se ye begina CI 126 no so ne ya fa challenge form ne ye dia challenge nipa no but ndra sankofo ya bedu banda kabruno baby a problem ti adakabri ebi mu ko video no me making sure say me putting it together na need FM mama monsa can by the close of the day Ivory Coast number you didn't see a close your borders in this cross so now they are by so go through the COVID-19 protocols and some waba Adakabimpa Chowutimi.
Yet your papa, Mr.
And
Kowa.
so go through the COVID-19 protocols and so what near Kuruma. Who have no more, we here 14 days mandatory quarantine as a quarantine. In this Encrofoya, Omubedu Dobo Honum, escape migration, ma Krumo for Dobo for Namu escort to Omo back, say, Omonko Ivory Coast, Omoka Omu Yusu Ekuta Ivory Coast registration number. Me we are among high me na me mo send me higher me send it a copy ni picture of the car in the amount. Enti no say chroma for no munye immigration for no sign or more. Never sa for me to me penetrate ebedru banda kabrundo registration center. Na chroma for be so bomb modern say ombe pamomo. Na da ka be unya state security. Ema mo beto say car na cross border ni your migration officer or banda, me me telephone no 020 ya my first ya friend say chief. Near mahuni or say me armed, me say very well. My fair report ya my police. Me no okay say you. Entino nkona mkwatika na ekwai week's number aso ni pa de abahanum no. Omo say ye 2 na mon. Adabre ye 2 na mon ni say yeti ahomachin se ka no atimi afiri banda aside many ko Ivory Coast nyankopon aye adoma ma mranti o immigration officials wo eye banda do bo no o di kan pam o no akire nkofo ya sa be mi ka se ye di o mo ba ye fene say sunyame into obi be ka se ye wo about 9 military cars and e wo banda for this registration banda also na the smallest when it comes to population. Yemi asa aseso Obono region, but the also near number Susha Obono region. Military cars in 8, about 9-8, you know. Omoni immigration together about 30 immigration officials are. Votarians ne adafo omuti nsona no banda kurampuno. Omo bediki munaji so mbisa oze ufri hin ana ufri hin. Sa immigration officials na intimi a interrogate your friend is saying, Sam Kofi or Mufi Ivory Coast. Obidi Bakudin because Kofi Kwajo, or my big card, no Obidi Abena Kwesi, Kano Crew, and Yami, or my church, when you migration officials or Banda, every operations against river community, no, and to me, taking care of conform genuinely, or Mufi Ivory Coast, I then Abba Banda, Ben Kremudin. And he said, branch into our one day also challenging Crofono. Say 419 challenging on Mama Nay.
Oh, yeah, Janasika Krabima Misakowia. Na yanko, na yane counterpart in the Bruno Regional Communications Directorate of the MPP. Ura set a Saribediakon and Quay. Now, on also soon, Yentian and Numasem, Sassemi, sign and MPP, SO Efano. In the studios, so did the honorable member for Eye Buem as the honorable Mr. Siama, or I say Sasso and MPP Communications Directorate, National Communications Team, one is also Engineer Peter and Kubuasiakon, and so Ewaha. Uraset is Saribediakon Yama Waha.
Mezozomo, in your brain.
Comfordu na humpo at the sign every
And I don't know about Namasoya.
Why, Wanibia any Yakwem, except say news coming through on UTV News a while ago, or say 66 confirmed Ivorians have been arrested for illegally acquiring voters' ID cards. Some of their names used included Abena Kwabena Kwame, Kofi Yao. They, I love Ghana. I love Ghana. What's it? Between the Abena Kwabena Kwame, Kofi Yao. As we MPP, Bruno Regional Communications Directorate, more than saying.
Of Adakabre, my mention was dear Funya, baby, I'm of the cafe, could be a more bashes of Jumasumwa, Moyo, at the Bois or my Ghana. Ghana won't pay any other day, the deal with the National Communication Director, Zilla Yawabia Samwa. Na kutenda point toka kwamba fa bwenye bati teni open mountain ewa anagabe nsemi o kan nsana aya o sebia kakra so na mesre e wo ha na tiemi ni ali di ahuse amanyofo ya mu bi na ya na omoyema ipa bi no mo eni didi e wo yi banda ate na ho sekere na e wo sa di twi mu dodo adai e honkwa ne bia itwe there were 275 constituencies that were in Maimuana. And not that the original town, Ambafa Bonnet, and the constituency executive of Bamba, as a parliamentary candidate, you will do that for a born to us. Young Cochrane, the call Bamba, and group, the secretary registration centers are now the call Bamba was. And so, the Cocosra registration centers are now. Come out with this year, you know. The bank said, oh, you know, for that, for sure, dear. I think so. The name and run, and me, and you can't hear cafe yet, and yet. Putting the word didn't hear papa. Now, no wonder. NBC for Bamontin so the catre, Ghana Funina, Fa, the Cabrero Casa Fidieso, Muse, Ghana Fobi, a warrant, a woman sooner. Specifically, we know Casa Banana Kajama, I was Savannah region. Linear with that in Southern Kunsuana, 82 more. Say Ghana Fobi or, if you want Emma, at home, Grandma, or what's not about to. Sibling Katiana Minia was not being so Tasako, one of the clear reno, Kusia, one of the Sao Kiadum, Echifa, so that was so poetry would be. Saran Suna, a break. Cote d'Ivoire, Famu also, your walk, Ghana phobia, Bob Sia, Ghana phobia also at home. Ah, Omonia, Bonia, so Babichu, Dean right. Now, with them, I was asking me, yes, can't see a moon say. Bandai in Crumra, Cote d'Ivoire for years, a buy, you know. Think of the Cote d'Ivoire for like a refactor said, isn't the animal? One was up, Diana, almost so tell you sooner ban. Ah, one more to see a fool, ever Bandai in Group, and Kabru, and so buy a barbecue. Now, who said me say, one moment you will be an immigration officer, see, I will hope you, and I'm preparing to buy it. One job or much will be a real. I think that Makotun start from my friends and drop for. Say, depending you are, a dinner or what they buy, you know, who's to say or moon kind of him. And then you just ask them nothing. And then you just ask them nothing. Hey, sir, and I will be there raising a long one. Let me hear you. Do what in here. Don't see the children get here. I'll not cry in cheap everyone. I don't know what you want in here. And let the yes, I got over the address. Yes, I'm good there. If I'm and now, some coffee or bubble, we are a bit free, Bandai in crown, cocoa with Dino. And now they said, immigration officers see actually movie. Yes, so yes, excellent. I didn't think that Kabrum. Ah, one of would be the whole day. Immigration officer, what to start from Monday, 12 to Omo. Ah, many years past, twice in Minaka, see this out for you, but you know. That's right. Sanya men, young fan yaman yourself. Yamchum, Nini a cake. Media, me feel some man said you 6 years will be near Ghana near my man of wine. I'm an in Trinity. When you are going to Trinity, so proud. Yan Sammy and challenging. Say, your challenge will be not a brand song, committee traffic. You would say, only corner on some Patasia than a card manual. You need to few, now so cheap or Yan San Famano. Now, the area women say, I'm a Ibrahim Cook, Bandahim Cook, Nura. saa musuafo ya ba ya bi kokko tre bi wo ho di ye bato yan challenge ya ana atuzo na yan challenge wo yan san so anti obi ya na mo kaburo no da kabre uve the political spectacle mu a wo mo na bato no ko di ma MPP nti ene Ahmed Ibrahim akoshen central bi asini immigration officers bi asise na be omo fa sanse ni mra won te sara ka be na fe mon central ni bi so hia afutuo esanse me no ka sei ona bo Ahmed Ibrahim o yemra che be gani wo ato central ni bi a ono na ma o aduane bi a odo akwa tra be se na wo twinie a wo ye adwuma ade bo ano the thing say central one yenye sa integrity ebu hia pa asem ketua bia na ono abantem dia baba to mframam na ma asem no kure wo mu ankasa no entimi ma entimi de me I am for sure enjuhemu bia wo se da bi wo sa asem mu ara ka be yen koso na enjuhemu na ba bia no kure no ehwe bia e woni kono onye Ghana ni ma pa yanchina so na yanyi ni bi so enfi abato nwoma no esansa abato nwoma no ya ye efi afi mpimienu anasa afi ma hem koni adunu ahem koni ni enu no nantina de tu eba no abakabre ni se ya bibia ani bibia ya o tre yesu be dia tonse yenya o hawbia ewo afidia electoral commission ade mati no eno trese ampa edintwenu mu da ho fan
oye
edintwenu sabi e ba mia bidie na sia ye ni pay die enye dane a edintwenu koswa basabasa ye ba ko ni ebe tinya ba na so fakasia na ene ye kama edie si ye no eno ano mi pin say selective justice ayo adwuma o baby a bandage nkura Ahmed Ibrahim free what there immigration officer na ohu saafo na ba ye no ante wo no kabro no e ko sabie akamo de o fi kontiasie to de wo e pamra kwan so I think say mra de ye nyina ye tiasie ye penso say mra enye adwuma na perpere ye emra o man
yo
eti ye ni how bia
Nasa Bedia Kunti so kakra bi my Chasa Korea of the NDC say and our counterpart said is Bedia of the MPP worker. Emwaye bi ewo ho.
Adaka bi woni bibi. Ba bia migration for no eche nkrofo no. Ma me more specific town yi omochi omo banda krubi e friend dobo. About 1.5 hours drive from Banda in Krona Obubodi no. I'm saying to any information now, my memoir. If say, oh, I'm a constituency. There's a one for Ubiamba Bandaka Bruno, mayor registration now. Office a woman's registration, you know, no other spokesperson for the Ivorian. Officially, me admit on any platform, some are for be frap on any other. Me baby, and then me a gun and me physically. Opens a would deny and some money in Trinity. Sanso na ma practice physically. Mean deny obia minim se mrao ho e di trading. Some money me trading or registration center. Se nipa na nim se o qualify ya. Emra no ene ntete ade ama mrantie no. On be challenge. Enti omo na rather banda bonga se omo history se mabo mrantie pass o montra the police station. A video ya available. What you try almost kind. Now then Ahmed is so powerful, say it's only control state security, or control the military, or control this police command. I say quite the opponent from Central for my senior Macao. I said, Roberto Obia, that's why media for now at home. It's in the media, Mumma baby, I didn't some one migration for and action call for our borders. Kwaya omofa sura Ghana no unapproved. Media for no I think so money security for any no they under another part of any MPP government. Officially, Omonchi will be a report to say Nipa Sumesi Ahmed na afa na track mu a woyɛ foreigner. But wait there. Omuchi omu obanda dobo. Omuchi omu no enye kabrodo no omuchi omu. Omu kra Ivory Coast car omu de ewura Ghana unapproved group. Emra no omu kodia. MPP communication director. You don't speak for these people. Enti say Mamin can say more video there about second week of the registration. No, Omode Maya no be na ho say. Sam Maya no na Ahmed Ibrahim akọ for Murphy French. And no de omaba. Adakabre omo ati echi no mu ko hu say e Maya ni free interior minister consulate omo ye dagati for. Adakabre mi ka say oman prostitute kola no. Di echire kodu sunya no. Omo ntimi fa nkra na mfa mremo. And Grana free policy for them. And say, you control the Commissioner General of the Ghana Immigration Service. You control the military. You control the police. But the worry say the year pie crown for. Crown for a pie no year be at the Utu America and crown for the way you say. And Juma. And in the records of 38-day registration, no. So your children Emrachres were a foreigner and a yen yet in a bar. Young them. Now, when they are question Ivory Coast are actually being migration officials or not breaking COVID-19 protocol. And a funny for us, or more may take over the issue. No, almost German no, and a Barbary operation. No, that is Sampa border no so. And in Kamaka say, all more and come here, Juma and Cabasu and Mister, and run now more 30 years bedroom. No, and then communication boss no bandana Jimmy Yakukodro, and no impound or car now, or the by any panel. And I say, Mutom go COVID-19 processes in one. And because more COVID-19 being gone, going to be in fine sign will be when they were putting Ghana queue, were registered. So there is a maker some more party bidding. The government say, you be a chida and you be no more Nipa or didn't Nipa me ever. And you want to say me, say, only for answer, more your dear, coming to me, news of movie. It may come out here, as someone say, immigration officials, you know. So I'm only leave up to expectation and can go for saying protection and sign travel about 1 hour, 30 minutes and come escape and borders. And I actually more Ghana borders. So, what do you say?
Yo.
That is the argument I am making right now. Say, I'm not a cabri with you. And conform, take one party. Almost see the ID cards, you know. Almost you go back to immigration head office in Yami. And you don't bring the media now to break his story more. Now, me tag you more and me critique a time and for more. Something I mentioned. Now, you Tibiano, you see. No crow where to say you saying, we yet time what can I share that crew baby? And to the time, no running than say, casting insinuations and as some NTS now cover the Kahubi. So they are saying, electoral commission, no. Now, on your demand, can you sank physically at a cabre? Your numbers I want can run Kibit Media Kwajikano at the police station. Because you says a military forward card 9, Banda. Now police or car there's a 4 FPU finka or scan quiet 3. There's a local migration or car back home. No, I'm say Kia. You to me escort Emfa police headquarters. Yamia Madonna say a immigration form or sampa any double but I also say or man lead it to up to expectation. That is all we are saying. And John Betusunya on the charity board on by. On make any power, or the macho men, Eco Chow, Mushia, more register Cabruno. And to be any better trading, say, and I can be the whole of Bandahin crew, and any form register and name 22.
Ejima Yentie.
And this police station, more register close to 100, no. Omo now, Aquabas any form register, I must say, Ivorians are, Sabi, and I can I mean, Fakasa will be can discriminate. He said, no, I'm making out so a gun and you're not your gun. Because gun and your team go and I say, gun,
my Yentie final comments.
But when you Obia Yabisane say, it's a job for man of me and I can bring me this here. Obia, and for us video camera, so. What me to say? Me see this is capital of Tempe. Tempe, no, yeah. This is capital of Ivory Coast, the northern side of Bandano. What admit in camera. TV3 for breaking the same news. What admit in camera. Other TV stations are taking. And the other night, I listen now. When you video evidence, Ivory Coast sneak and say, me free any other family, so me make sure be in Wahano.
Okay, nti nanesa rebedi akwada Roma na finally ye nyina na ye watwendiem se enipa duosiansia no ombeba beduru yesu nyaye ntidie na woka de ahye yenkunan abra ye watwede ye mu yi
aladabe atenke se ebe kai no kre ba akope nti at the end of the day ye amanyoku ye shabe obi a waye bone. The thing is that here, Ghana Mambran, the Pesa Ghana Mambran, so echo the demo. Yeah, you know what I can hear. Yeah, but you have some more come up. You look at Canada there. And maybe I'll come back. You don't know. Therefore, COVID-19. I just say, and I saw the people here. I'm a general secretary of the Rajas Opposition Party. Many of us of work and so say you must have for no fine. No come to you and that. Almost a Ghana from them, which will not cheat no from here. Not yet to move out the Jama. I want a violent video. And also, we are not be our one. I tell you, and they said, no, and I'm back. And I can remember I wanted the views of justice. Blind slowly. Yes, and let your woman in this room. Now, the man of the man should not be fast. Now, you know that you will do the credit, the poverty break. Now, you are the best one. And to running out the other of you, running out the other, this prayer not yet. There is not yet. Yeah, let them drama attack players now. And one of the legs back up to the music. Now the enemy man and then also let and then so the water so a yak. Do of what job can be. Said the man people and then so we remove that. That's the Obasa out for so much of oh, now, that's it. Sad, when you had a human, and that's what you could go on the edge one a branch or some person by the true thing and all by the true thing. Which is a bonity this afternoon. You think happening?
In the crack no. Na
Adaka me nkasa ma foreign na bia wa ba do twire di bin wo Ghana ha no moda. Na asem ya putubru mi anu ma jump for be defend nipa migration ni ache na wo yihwemu masem nyina se voterers are prevent o mo register o me Ghana fo a wa mo na wo preach equity no wa kofa ni pere bia fa contract say ayache no a wo no mo agia tum se me free French we kro we so no anu ti na ja o many problem pay equalization ya na we don't get it enti mo temperature and confirm no media no some play referee role no every say do that push yan kwatare dan a one me ye be kan se mi wo radio so a ye agent person go compromising na read only Adaka processes no and go through na me obato machino me want to ma bepa simple as that.
Okay.
No see a ju kronfo a wo party panyini de wo na go kasa ma ne say
Rosie either chiri kromfo a
the Prosi chiri kromfo a nya party ni na go kasa ma no o ria Ghana na Prosi a chiri
ya fancy ya
na atama ya buta na asem ya buta
Prosi chi obi asa NDC ni di obi aba we dey Prosi a chiri Prosi chi na party you na ya bia
what no
what you to more video musa of French na wa be chiri ni bi enti e na wo na be the spokesperson MPP communication director enti empire okronfo adenti na wugane
Okay.
Meka say mo no o ti say me bo MPP chairman din. What na jump ya over be equalization ti na meka say say o mo kro no aye pai kro no a wunyane.
Oh yeah. Owura Chasakowia, you better wase.
It is also on Tiafia.
Ada bring from nani na bi entu de me da wase no wakonya.
Owura Sarabedi akoso ya da wase. Right. Enti Chasakowia NDC Bono Regional Communications Officer and Owura Seti Sarabedi akum MPP Bono Regional Communications Director and say yatena